Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick unboxing product review of this YARDCARE Cordless Lawn Mower. So let's open it up to see what comes inside. Alrighty, so let's open this up. Everything is nice and wrapped up in there. I'm just gonna flip the box. It's always easier getting to things by flipping the box. So here is the lawnmower upside down. Oh, I love the color, so vibrant. And we have an 8-gallon grass bag right there. We have a couple 18-volt 4AH batteries. And we have the charger. And last but not least, the user manual. So I'm just gonna unwrap everything, organize it. Here is everything laid out on the floor. And I got one of the batteries charging. This is a wireless hand push lawnmower. It features a brushless motor with 2 battery packs, providing strong power. It has adjustable cutting height and an LED display. So the cutting is 5-position height adjustment, ranges between 0.98 inches all the way up to 2.56 inches. So an LED displays for checking the battery level and error messages and whatnot. I love the fact that there's this handle, makes it more portable, easier to carry around. In low power mode, this can run up to 60 minutes, and in high power mode, it runs up to 40 minutes. So I'm gonna put all of this together and show you it in action. So the battery fully charged in less than an hour. And this took me about 5 to 10 minutes to fully assemble. Pretty straightforward, following instructions, very easy. And this is the section where the LED and instructions are gonna be when we use this. So let's go see this in action. All right, so I put both batteries in. We turned on the power button. Click that. And then get started. Easy to operate. Lightweight. Just wanted to show the details of the LED display one more time. When we turn it on, it shows how much the batteries are charged right there. And then plus or minus controls the speed. So we click this, then this. That's how we operate it. Pretty straightforward and shown there. Very easy to operate lawnmower. Does the job, and I can tell that the bag is getting a little full already. We like it.